This video will show what cases we have for quadratic equation, second power equation. So basically, we will have the equation. All right, let's call x squared plus x equals 0. And then we change the color, choose something else brighter. Okay, so ax, bx, and c. This is a coefficient of the quadratic equation. All right, case number 1, we will try to write out, fit into 3 cases. All right, the first case is when we have c equals 0. Okay, then we have ax squared plus bx equals 0. This is easy. We common factor the x, and then we have ax plus b, and now we call this a zero product, meaning that we have 2 cases, x equals 0 or ax plus b equals 0, and then meaning that we have 2 solutions, x equals 0 and x equal negative b over a. That is our first solution. Okay, now the second case, when we have b equals 0, then we have ax squared plus c equals 0. C and b equals 0. So we move c to the right and divide by a. So we have x squared equal negative c over a. Bring c on the right, become negative, and divide by a. And then take square root both sides. So we have x plus and minus 2 solutions. Okay, that gives you 2 solutions as well. Okay, and now the case when a equals 0, let's change a different pen. When a equals 0, we have what? We change to linear equation. So now we have bx plus c equals 0. We have one solution only. Bring c to the right. We have negative c divided by b. So x equals negative c over b. That is one solution. Okay, right there. All right, so let's box this answer here. Okay, and we have this guy right here. Okay, all right, that's 3 special cases when a, b, c equals 0. Now let's do the main one when a, b, c not equal 0. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, all right, so now let's change the color. We will do all right, we do brown. Okay, this is the case that when we have a not equal 0, b not equal 0, and c not equal 0. Okay, so now we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, there are a couple ways to do it. The way we teach student here, I will show 2 ways. Way number 1, we do the x thing. This up here will be a times c, and this will be b, and we find 2 numbers that work for that. After we find the 2 numbers, make sure you divide by a, and the answer will give us a in the front. Okay, and then x, let's call this guy here x1. Okay, and let's call it here x2, a constant, right? So we have x 2 over a. Okay, all right, that case number 1, easy. We use x thing. If not, somehow we can't use x thing, then we have to use a formula. x1 negative b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, we have two solutions right here, plus and minus right there. Okay, so let's close this. This only works for any solution. Okay, now let's talk about this. In this case, we have three cases. Okay, let's talk about this gentleman here. Let's change to red. So we talk about this term right here. All right. All right. So now, case number one. When b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, we have two solutions. Case number two, when we have b squared minus 4ac equals 0, so that means the whole thing equals 0, so we have one solution. When we have b squared minus 4ac is negative, then since it's negative, we have no solution because everything inside the square root can be negative. All right, that's it. The video will end now.